How to contact Binance customer support. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can contact Binance customer support. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is open up your Binance. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. And after you've done that, what you can do is tap on your logo, that is your Binance logo, on the top left corner. After you tap on it, there you will find an option that says support. Tap on support, and after you tap on support, you'll get different options. You'll need to select help center. After you tap on help center, there you can see your Q&As that are already in your Binance support. Here you can see different articles and stuff like that. Now to contact customer support, on the bottom right corner, you'll see a microphone and headphones icon. Tap on that. And after you tap on that, you will see this option pop up where you can just simply contact your Binance support. So from here, you can see different options. So if you scroll down more, you'll see get support. Tap on get support. After you tap on get support, now you can chat with Binance customer support. And that's basically how you contact Binance customer support, guys. Thanks for watching.